Are you looking to elevate your skincare routine with the best Gua Sha tools? Gua Sha is an ancient facial massage technique that helps promote blood circulation, release tension, and improve skin texture. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Gua Sha tools that will not only help you relax, but also enhance your skin's glow. Let's explore these products and find the perfect Gua Sha tool for your beauty needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Lai Gua Sha. The Lai Gua Sha tool is designed with luxury and functionality in mind. This tool has been created to offer a comprehensive facial massage experience, and its smooth, rounded edges ensure a comfortable and effective treatment. Crafted from jade, this Gua Sha is perfect for improving circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. Ideal for all skin types, Lai's Gua Sha tool is a must-have for anyone seeking a natural way to enhance their skincare regimen. Whether you're looking to combat puffiness or improve skin texture, this tool can elevate your daily ritual. Key features: the Lai Gua Sha is made from high-quality jade, known for its cooling properties and ability to help soothe the skin. This tool is designed with a traditional shape, offering multiple edges to work with for precise sculpting and lifting. Its smooth texture allows for easy gliding over the skin without irritation. Lai has crafted the Gua Sha with a weight that feels substantial in hand, offering more control and ensuring a more effective massage. It also comes with a beautiful packaging design, making it perfect for gifting. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of the Lai Gua Sha tool is its ability to increase blood flow to the skin, which leads to a more radiant and glowing complexion. The cooling effect of jade helps to reduce puffiness and inflammation, especially around the eyes and jawline. Regular use of this tool helps release facial tension and promotes lymphatic drainage, which can help with detoxifying the skin. To use, gently glide the tool over your face, focusing on areas like the cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. For an added benefit, use the Gua Sha tool with your favorite facial oil or serum. Usability: the Lai Gua Sha tool is easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. Its smooth edges make it simple to use, even for beginners. You can perform a self-massage at home in just a few minutes, either in the morning or before bed. The tool is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand, giving you the right amount of control during your facial massage. It is also lightweight and portable, allowing you to carry it wherever you go. With regular use, you'll notice improvements in your skin's texture and overall appearance. Durability: Lai's Gua Sha tool is made of durable jade, a material known for its resilience. When handled with care, it can last for years. It is sturdy enough to withstand daily use, but should be treated gently to avoid breaking or chipping. The smooth jade surface ensures longevity, and the tool does not easily wear down with frequent use. To maintain its condition, wash the tool gently with warm water after each use, and store it in its protective pouch to prevent accidental damage. In the second spot, we have Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha. The Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha tool is a sleek and modern version of the traditional facial massage tool. Made from rose quartz, it is designed to enhance your skincare routine by improving blood circulation, relieving tension, and promoting a youthful glow. This tool is especially suitable for those who love incorporating holistic beauty tools into their routine. Herbivore Botanicals is known for their natural and clean products, and their Gua Sha is no exception, made from non-toxic materials that provide a calming experience for your skin. Key features: crafted from rose quartz, the Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha tool offers a calming and soothing effect on the skin. Rose quartz is believed to promote self-love and healing, making it the perfect material for a self-care practice. The tool's ergonomic design features smooth, rounded edges that easily glide over the skin. It is shaped specifically to fit the contours of the face, making it easier to target areas like the jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. The sleek, minimalistic design is also a visual delight, making it an aesthetic addition to your skincare collection. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of the Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha tool is its ability to promote relaxation and reduce facial tension. It works by stimulating blood circulation, leading to a brighter, more even complexion. The rose quartz also helps calm and soothe irritated skin, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin. To use, apply a few drops of your favorite facial oil or serum and gently glide the tool along your face. Focus on areas where you feel tightness, such as the jaw or temples, for a more invigorating massage. Usability: the Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha tool is incredibly easy to use. Its smooth edges and ergonomic design make it simple to maneuver over your face, even if you've never used a Gua Sha tool before. You can use it daily, either as part of your morning routine to reduce puffiness or before bed to relieve any built-up tension. Its size is travel-friendly, and the rose quartz material makes it a perfect tool for self-care rituals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tool is easy to incorporate into your routine. Durability: the Herbivore Botanicals Gua Sha tool is crafted from premium rose quartz, ensuring long-lasting durability when cared for properly. While rose quartz is relatively sturdy, it is important to handle the tool gently to prevent chipping or breaking. This tool is designed for daily use and can last for years if cleaned properly after each use. To keep the Gua Sha in top condition, rinse it with warm water and mild soap, and store it in a protective case to avoid unnecessary damage. Taking our fourth spot is Yina Gua Sha. The Yina Gua Sha tool combines ancient wisdom with modern design to create a premium facial massage tool. Made from green aventurine, this Gua Sha tool offers numerous benefits for the skin, such as promoting lymphatic drainage and reducing puffiness. Green aventurine is known for its healing properties, making this tool not only beneficial for your skincare routine but also for your overall well-being. The Yina Gua Sha is a perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their beauty regimen with a natural, holistic approach. Key features: the Yina Gua Sha tool is made from green aventurine, a stone that is believed to promote healing and balance. It features a curved design that fits comfortably in the hand and is shaped to target different areas of the face. The smooth, polished surface ensures that the tool glides effortlessly over your skin, allowing for a more relaxing and effective facial massage. The Yina Gua Sha is lightweight, portable, and comes with a protective pouch, making it easy to take on the go or store safely. Benefits and usage: the Yina Gua Sha tool offers a range of benefits for the skin, including improved circulation, reduced puffiness, and a more defined facial structure. Green aventurine is believed to help reduce stress and anxiety, making this Gua Sha tool an ideal choice for a calming and soothing experience. To use, apply your favorite facial oil and gently glide the tool along your face, focusing on areas that feel tense or swollen. This tool is perfect for those looking for a more balanced and radiant complexion. Usability: the Yina Gua Sha tool is easy to use, even for beginners. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and its curved edges make it simple to target specific areas of the face. Whether you're using it in the morning to reduce puffiness or at night to relieve tension, this tool provides a relaxing and effective facial massage. The Yina Gua Sha is also great for incorporating into your nighttime self-care ritual, helping to wind down and prepare for a restful sleep. Durability: green aventurine is a durable material, and the Yina Gua Sha tool is built to last. With proper care, this tool can be used regularly without showing signs of wear. The smooth surface prevents chipping or breaking, and its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand daily use. To keep the tool in optimal condition, clean it with warm water and mild soap after each use, and store it in its protective pouch to prevent damage. And finally, at number 5, we have Lanshin Gua Sha. The Lanshin Gua Sha tool is a professional-grade tool that offers an exceptional facial massage experience. Made from rose quartz, this tool is designed to enhance your skincare routine by improving circulation, lifting the skin, and promoting lymphatic drainage. The Lanshin Gua Sha is known for its luxurious feel and high-quality craftsmanship, making it a popular choice for both skincare enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're looking to elevate your beauty regimen, this tool is a perfect fit. Key features: the Lanshin Gua Sha tool is made from premium rose quartz, known for its soothing and healing properties. Its ergonomic design features multiple edges that allow you to target different areas of the face, such as the jawline, forehead, and cheeks. The smooth, polished surface ensures that the tool glides easily over the skin, providing a gentle yet effective massage. It also comes with a beautiful case for storage, ensuring that it stays in pristine condition when not in use. Benefits and usage. The Lanshin Gua Sha tool offers a variety of benefits, including improved skin texture, reduced puffiness, and enhanced blood circulation. Regular use of this tool helps to stimulate lymphatic drainage, which aids in detoxifying the skin. The cooling effect of rose quartz also helps to calm the skin, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or irritated skin. To use, apply a facial oil or serum and gently glide the tool over your face in upward motions, focusing on areas that need extra attention, such as the jawline or under the eyes. Usability. The Lanshin Gua Sha tool is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, allowing for precise movements during your facial massage. Whether you're using it in the morning to reduce puffiness or at night to relieve tension, this tool is simple to incorporate into your routine. The multiple edges and curves of the tool make it versatile, allowing you to target different areas of the face with ease. Durability. Crafted from high-quality rose quartz, the Lanshin Gua Sha tool is built to last. Rose quartz is a durable material that can withstand regular use when treated with care. The tool is resistant to breaking and chipping, ensuring that it will provide long-lasting benefits. To maintain its quality, gently wash the tool with warm water and mild soap after each use, and store it in the provided case to protect it from damage. With proper care, this tool will remain an essential part of your skincare routine for years to come. And there you have it, the top 5 Gua Sha tools to add to your skincare collection in this year. From soothing jade to healing rose quartz, each of these tools offers unique benefits to improve your skin's appearance and texture. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these Gua Sha tools are perfect for enhancing your beauty routine. Make sure to pick the one that best fits your needs and start enjoying the benefits of Gua Sha today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews.